Hi. In today's video, we are excited to walk you through a project we recently completed inside GoHighLevel for one of our clients. This setup is a full showcase of how we transformed a scattered lead management process into an organized, automated sales engine using pipelines, calendars, forms, and advanced automation flows. Let's start with the sales pipeline. We built out a detailed and well-structured pipeline for the client, which includes multiple stages such as new lead, responsive lead, appointment booked, appointment canceled, no-show, negotiation, on hold, long-term nurture, contract, closed won. Each stage has its own logic and automation tied to it to ensure smooth transitions and fast follow-up. We also created other custom pipelines like lead pipeline and owner onboarding and retention pipelines to track and manage leads more effectively based on their behavior and engagement levels. Next, we configured a branded GHL calendar system for them. The calendar includes a clear name and group settings, meeting durations, booking links, time zone selectors, and fully customized availability with built-in form and payment integration. We also enabled notifications and added advanced customization options to make sure the client experience feels seamless and professional. When someone wants to book a call, they select a date and time, choose their time zone, fill out a form with their name, email, and phone number. And just like that, the appointment gets scheduled and the opportunity is created in the appointment booked stage of the sales pipeline. Now, let's talk about the automations that power the entire flow. The first one we are going to discuss is new lead meeting link automation. When a new opportunity is created, the system triggers a delay, assigns a user, sends an email with a meeting link, notifies the client, and waits for a reply. If the lead responds, the system updates the user and moves the opportunity to responsive lead. Second, website integration with GHL and ClickUp. We also integrated their website with both GHL and ClickUp. This automation sends a webhook when a new opportunity is created in either the new lead or appointment booked stages, instantly pushing the data to ClickUp for tracking and internal workflows. Next is lead nurturing sequence. When a lead enters the nurturing stage, here's what happens. A follow-up email is sent. If the contact replies, we move them to a positive response stage and create or update the opportunity. If there's no response, another email goes out after a few days or even weeks to keep nurturing the lead. This ensures no lead is left behind, and the client can maximize their engagement. Then, appointment booking flow. When a lead books an appointment, a confirmation email is sent. The opportunity is updated. A 24-hour reminder email is sent. A 1-hour reminder email is also triggered for both the lead and the internal team. This dramatically reduces no-shows and improves communication. Then, appointment cancellation workflow. If an appointment is canceled, the system updates the opportunity to appointment canceled. Send an email to reschedule. Then, add a tag if the lead doesn't respond. Finally, it moves the lead to long-term nurture for future follow-ups. This ensures that even cancellations are properly managed and followed up. We also created a stale opportunities automations, where leads move step by step based on timing. Hot lead to warm lead to cold lead, then cold lead to long-term nurture. If there's zero response, the lead is marked as ghosted. This gives our client a clear view of how long leads have been stagnant and what action to take next. With this setup, our client can now capture and track leads in real time, automate all follow-ups and appointment reminders, nurture leads over weeks or months, keep ClickUp updated using webhooks, and finally, close more deals with less effort. It's an all-in-one lead management machine completely customized for their business. If you're looking to set up something like this for your business inside GoHighLevel, or want to connect it with third-party tools like ClickUp, Notion, or Monday, feel free to reach out to us at Camel Tech. We'd love to help. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automation walkthroughs and success stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.